We've got a beautiful night. We'll have Jupiter rising probably around 9 o'clock, but before that we'll also have the Milky Way, just gorgeous, running all across the sky from the south to the north.
This is the Escambia Amateur Astronomers Association, and they've been with the National Park Service for about 33 years, donating their time and their telescopes to opening people's eyes and knowledge about the dark skies in national parks.
Out here, the skies are so much darker, especially facing the south. You just can't see things in town that you can see out here.
I believe it educates people on the environment and how to take care of the environment, which works hand in hand with the astronomy club, because light pollution is a big factor in things that we're trying to control. People don't realize that the light and the amount of wattage they put out is significantly more than they need. And then we like to show people what they're losing running all the lights in town the way they do.
What it does is it brings out youngsters and adults and people from all over the country to take a look at the big telescopes. It opens their eyes to a whole nother universe.
Telescopes like Gary's will show you new star clusters emerging from nebulae. We'll show old stars doing stellar stripteases like the Ring Nebula in Lyra, where a giant star is slothed up its outer layers.
They are gracious enough to allow us to look through the telescopes, and previously you get to see the rings of Saturn as well as Jupiter, the moons. Quite spectacular to see it all. And then every once in a while somebody will show part of the moon, and it's the detail that you obviously just can't see with the naked eye.
I especially like it, young kids, when they'll come up to you and you'll show them something. I have binoculars, and I'll show them something through the binoculars, and that, oh, wow, cool. They're just so enthralled by that, and then you can tell them some of the few little things that I know, and they just absorb everything, and it's so neat to know that you may be, this could be an astronaut.
See that red star? That is Antares, or Antares for short. It is the rival of Mars for good reason. Right now it's about the same brightness and the same orange-red color as the planet Mars, which you'll notice is not out in the August evening sky. It rises about 4 o'clock in the morning.
It's wonderful to come out here to Gulf Islands. Just the history of the place, the skies, it's just a beautiful place to come.